Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi with Harsha, and you are watching lecture number 3 of our free Hindi batch. This is my Instagram and YouTube handle, so please follow, or I can say subscribe to me. In this lecture, we will cover Hindi vowels which are called swar. The objective of this lesson is to make you learn all 11 Hindi vowels, the correct pronunciation of the same, and you should know by the end of this lecture how to write them. You will be able to recognize vowel sounds in simple Hindi words, and you will start building a visual and phonetic memory of the script. Okay, so first of all, we are going to see what are vowels. So, Hindi, so, sorry, I mean Hindi has 11 vowels that are called swar. That are called swar. Each vowel has distinct sound, and most of them come in pairs, one short and one long sound. You will understand this in just few minutes. Okay. So, why learning these vowels are essential? These vowels are essential because every single word in Hindi use a vowel sound. This is why learning vowels is important. So, vowels combine with consonants to form a complete word. Vowels plus consonant will make a complete word. Okay. So, we will see here the list of Hindi vowels. So, this will be the vowel, this will be the pronunciation, this is the example. For example, A for apple, right? So, here we will go like A say anar, A for apple, B for banana, A say anar, A say like this. Okay. And when I say apple, apple means like a fruit. Okay, that is apple. So meaning of the same in English is this: pomegranate. Means mango. This is how we are going to see things here. Okay, so just repeat after me. This is going to be easy. A से अनार, A से अनार. So this is short. Now this will long. से आम. I hope you are able to identify the difference. A से अनार, से आम. Okay, so this will be a pair, one short and one long. Now this will be a pair, one short and other one will be long. E, this is the difference. Okay, E से इमली और E से ईख. When we are talking, you will not be able to identify which is E and what is E. Are you understanding this? But when we are talking, like when we are familiar with Hindi, we know certain words. We know this is going to be small e or this is going to be long e. Okay. Anyways, we are going to talk about the facts here. So this is E say इमली. ई से ईख. Again, E say Emily, E say eek. Now this will also come in pair, short and long. U say ullu. This is oo, and this is oo, just a little long. Oo, oo. U say ullu. U say oon. Are you understanding this? Okay, so now we are going to revise this whole thing once again. Let me just change the color of this pen. Now just repeat after me, okay? We are going to take these things simple. A anar, a आम, ई इमली, ई ईख, उ उल्लू, ऊ ऊन. Okay, let's just move forward in the lecture. We have some more vowels. This is re. This is re. Re, rishi. Re, rishi. Now again this is in pair, this is in pair, and this is in pair. Okay, but this is going to sound a little different. Listen carefully. A ek, I anak. A I, A I, A I, A ek, I anak. Okay, again this is O ओखली, ओ ओखली. औ औरत, ओ औ. This is the difference, okay? ओ औ, ओ ओखली, औ औरत. Now this is ang, like pronouncing the word with your nose. Ang, ang. You will use your nose to pronounce this sound. Ang, ang, angur, ang, angur. And this is aha sound. Like when you are saying aha, aha ha, like this, ha. This is the sound. I know this is really hard to explain, but listen carefully, okay? Aha. So when I am saying aha, this is not completely aha. When I'm saying aha, so more like this sound, this ha sound. Aha. This ha sound. This is this sound. Now you will be thinking how I am going to say this, how I am going to like learn this sound. Just don't worry, there is no word which will be starting with this. This is used with a consonant and then a word is made. Okay, so this is why I don't have an example here, and this is going to be fine. Okay, in next lecture we will learn how to write vowels. Okay, in this lecture we are just going to learn about the sounds. Once again, this let me just write this again. This will be in next lecture. Okay, lecture number 4. Okay, let me just revise the whole sounds. So this is ri, rishi, a, ek, I, ऐनक, ओ, ओखली, औ, औरत, अंग, अंगूर, ahaha. This is how we used to say in, nursery class. This is why I'm saying ahaha. Anyways, I know this might be difficult for some of you guys, so I am going to uh, revise this whole thing in a very slow manner so that you all can understand this. Okay, so just repeat after me. Sorry. A, अनार, ए, अनार, आ, आम, आ, आम, ई, इमली, ई, इमली, ई, ईख, ई, ईख, उ, उल्लू, उ, उल्लू, ऊ, ऊन, ऊ, ऊन. Then we will have rishi. Ri, rishi, ri, rishi, a, ek, a, ek, I, ऐनक, I, ऐनक, ओ, ओखली, ओ, ओखली, औ, औरत, औ, औरत, अंग, अंगूर, अंग, अंगूर, ahaha. Okay, now we are going to see some pronunciation tips. When we are saying a, e, u, these are quick and crispy. These are basically short. But when we are saying a, e, u, these are stretched and these are held slightly longer. So these are long sounds. When I'm saying re, this is a unique sound between re and ru. So there, re is something in between. Re, rishi. ऐसे. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to practice each vowel aloud 3 times. So you should say out loud these vowels at least 3 times. Next thing is writing practice, but as I haven't told you yet how to write them, so we are not going to cover this part in this lecture. Ignore this for now. Ignore this, as we'll cover this in next part, in next lecture. Okay, CTURE. Okay, fine. So I think this is how we are going to end this lecture. Thank you so much for watching this lecture, and please like, comment, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to join our free Hindi batch. Link is given in the description. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Namaste.